Hello viewers, Aslam here from Leads Flex. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about funnel design using templates with GoHighLevel Basic to Advanced course. So let's dive in video and I will show you step by step. So let me dive on a test account that we have created for the course purpose. And right now, I'm just go to the sites and here we have some funnel. That's all things I have explained in my previous video, so you can watch my previous video. You will get idea how you can design this and what is state, sales, security and event settings. These all things I have explained in my previous lectures. So in this case I just going to add another step here. So we have test one funnel page is here. I'm not going to use this one. Let's create new one, and I would like to say I'm going to use 4 templates. I just click on it and here we have a lot of awesome templates. You can utilize them and you can make an awesome landing pages for your business, and it's just super easy drag and drop funnels. So for in my case I would like to say I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this one. Super easy, just select the template and click on it and it's imported to your GoHighLevel sale funnel. So you need to do some basic customization. That's it, that we have learned in our previous classes. So you can watch my previous video so you will get idea how it's worked and how we can customize. I have explained all features and all functionalities here. So that's home page of this funnel. You see here we have some image and where text. What we are going to do, for example, I'm going to replace this logo. Just click on it and I will put another logo here, and I would like to say I'm going to use this logo for now, not this one. It's not looks good. So let me make another logo. For example, we are going to use this icon right now, and later on we can update with that's a SVG not pop up as a logo. We need to use image here. Yeah, we are going to use this one here for now. And what we are going to do, we are just update content here. Here we can do our update our all things and all requirement that you want to link with this section. And here you can just simply go and update your contact us page, and even you can change your color according to your requirement as well, and simply drag and drop all of your requirement. And here you have full-fledged funnel design. You can just simply click on it and change it according to your requirement. And for example, here is a no form, so simply go to here and select form. For example, we will say funnel form here, and here this form pop up. And also I just say that why it's not updated. Okay, yes. Okay, let's copy the link and paste it manual. The logo is updated here. And what we are going to do next, I just change this button color and we will put the brand color. So you can see I simply just drag and drop and click the design, it's pop up. And I want to this in a center, it's not look good here. And also I want to this as center as well, and this one I just apply some animation on it. For example, we will say yes. Okay, and we will apply animation on it as well, and we will say up. Okay, no, this one looks good. Okay, and here we have some more animations. Yes, this one we are going to use, and same for this one. And I would like to say rotate. Yes, this looks cool and professional. Okay, I just go to the animations and rotate it. Okay, that's it. You can change here all the things and all the requirement that you want to change here. It's a super easy and drag and drop system.